Refresh rate, measured in hertz, indicates how many times per second your monitor updates the displayed image. Understanding this concept is crucial before configuring your Sceptre monitor. Here's a visual demonstration of how refresh rate affects cursor movement. Notice how higher refresh rates create smoother, more precise motion with smaller steps between positions. A 120 Hz refresh rate offers significant advantages over the standard 60 Hz. You'll experience smoother motion, reduced motion blur, and dramatically improved gaming responsiveness. Before configuring your monitor, you must verify three essential prerequisites: graphics card compatibility, proper cable connections, and monitor specifications. Your graphics card must support 120 Hz output. Modern graphics cards typically include multiple DisplayPort and HDMI connections. Check your graphics card specifications to ensure compatibility. Cable selection is critical for 120 Hz operation. DisplayPort 1.2 or higher is recommended for optimal performance. HDMI 2.0 supports 120 Hz at 1080p resolution, while HDMI 2.1 is required for 120 Hz at higher resolutions. Finally, verify that your specific Sceptre monitor model supports 120 Hz refresh rate. Check the monitor specifications in the user manual or on the manufacturer's website to confirm compatibility before proceeding with configuration. There are three primary methods to configure your Sceptre monitor to 120 Hz. Each method provides a different pathway to access the refresh rate settings. Method 1 uses Windows Display Settings. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings from the context menu. In Display Settings, scroll down and click Advanced Display Settings. Then select your Sceptre monitor from the drop-down menu. Click Display Adapter Properties, navigate to the Monitor tab, and change the refresh rate to 120 Hz from the drop-down menu. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. Method 2 involves using your graphics card control panel. The process differs slightly between NVIDIA and AMD graphics cards. For NVIDIA users, right-click Desktop, open NVIDIA Control Panel, go to Change Resolution under Display, select your monitor, and choose 120 Hz. For AMD users, right-click Desktop, open AMD Radeon Settings, go to Display tab, select your monitor, and adjust refresh rate to 120 Hz. Method 3 uses the monitor's on-screen display menu. Press the menu button on your monitor to access the OSD settings. Navigate to Display or Setup Settings in the OSD menu. Look for Refresh Rate or Hertz option, select 120 Hz, and save the settings. This method provides direct access to monitor configuration. All three methods will successfully configure your Sceptre monitor to 120 Hz. Choose the method that feels most comfortable for your setup and preferences.